Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 20th of June 2025. In today's top renewable energy news. In Turkey, domestic production of wind turbine blades and towers, as well as solar ingots and cells, has been made mandatory. After 2026, wind turbine generators and nacelles will also be included in the scope, along with solar panel assembly. In cases where imported components are used, no feed and tariff incentives will be applied. The new circular issued by the Ministry of Industry and Technology aims to reduce foreign dependency, increase domestic employment, and encourage technology transfer. House and Senate Republicans are divided over how hard a blow their mega bill should strike against the clean energy tax credits. A total of 794 wind farms, solar plants, battery storage facilities, and other clean electricity generation projects that have not yet begun construction are at risk of losing two crucial tax breaks. The production tax credit and investment tax credit have facilitated more than $500 billion of investment into the energy sector in the United States. Brazil's Congress decided to maintain the 20-year extension of subsidies granted to small hydroelectric plants, biomass, as well as wind energy farms under the rules of the Incentive Program for Renewable Energy Sources. The decision came after President Da Silva vetoed provisions in the offshore wind bill at the beginning of the year. Local power producers feel that keeping the subsidies in place will increase electricity rates in the country. The energy regulator has argued that removing the subsidy regime would create legal uncertainty by modifying contractual conditions that had already been agreed. The World Bank approved a new $150 million program to support Sri Lanka's move toward clean, reliable, and affordable energy. The program will support the country in reducing its reliance on expensive fossil fuel imports and accelerate its shift towards solar and wind. The program also expects to mobilize more than $800 million in private investment, helping lower electricity costs and improve reliability for families and businesses. Turkey aims to boost its wind energy capacity to 48 gigawatts by 2035. The goal that stems from a robust industrial base and strategic government support, according to Mohammed Kays MGNL, the Industry and Technology Deputy Minister. Wind energy now accounts for more than 11% of Turkey's total electricity generation, making it the second largest renewable source after hydropower. The country continues to expand its capacity by around 1 gigawatt annually. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.